Now I want to chart the annual revenue figures for the past 34 years and the monthly revenue figures for the past 1 year, looking for trends in the data. When examining the relationship between two data fields such as monthly revenue and date of purchase, analysts often want to find trends in the data. One way to identify a trend is by adding a trend line to a scatter chart of the data. I create a scatter chart showing the company's annual revenue from the past 34 years with a trend line indicating the general pattern of revenue growth. I am interested in learning whether revenues have grown by a constant amount each year or are showing signs of leveling off. First, open the Business History worksheet, then select the Cell References range. Click Insert tab. In Charts group, click Insert Scatter or Bubble Chart and then click Scatter. Add the axis title Business History to the vertical axis. Click Chart Elements button. Check axis title. Type Business History in this box. Double click. And type business year to the horizontal axis. Double click on this box. Type business year. Change the chart title. Double click on this box. Type trend in revenue. The chart shows that the company's revenue has gone up continuously in each year. Now click Chart Elements button. Check the trend line box. A straight line is added to the chart. Now double click on chart. Select this line. Click dash type arrow button. I select solid line. Then change the color of this line. Click color arrow button. I select orange color. I can add various types of trend lines to a chart. For example, exponential, linear, logarithmic, moving average, polynomial, and power. The straight line in the chart I created is for a linear trend based on the assumption that revenue increases by a constant amount each year. You can add any trend line in the chart. It depends on the values of revenue, whether it is increases or decreases. If the values of revenue increase rapidly at the beginning and then appear to level off, then a logarithmic trend line may be used. Click Cancel. Double click on chart. Select the linear trend line. Click Trend Line Options. This trend line option is automatically activated when trend line is selected in the chart. You can see there are 6 options here. Select this trend line. This is exponential trend line. Select this trend line. Select this trend line. Select this trend line. Select this trend line. Exponential trend is better for this type of chart because the growth of the company annual revenue is grown up continuously.